Welcome! In this video I'm gonna show you how to fully smoke the A side from one place on the T side on the Mirage map. To do it, go to the ramp, place yourself on the middle of this frame, ask your teammates to drop you smokes and aim for that corner of the roof. It will be smoke for stairs. Jump throw, aim for that wires, jump throw, it will be for jungle, and aim for that brick on the right down corner, jump throw. And as you can see, stairs are smoke, jungle and also the city. So it's very useful combination of smokes and you can do it by yourself, only you need to ask for smokes. It can be also useful if you want to fake A side and go B. Thanks for watching, leave a comment, like and subscribe to our channel. Bye!